Issue: many deafblind individuals do not always have exposure to protactile. Often interpreters have greater access to training than deafblind Minnesotans. Some deafblind consumers may not always know what communication works best for them if they haven't had exposure, nor do they have training on how to instruct interpreters to work with them best. Often, interpreters walk into assignments with deafblind individuals not knowing what communication works best for them, resulting in frustration and potentially failed communication on both sides. Proposed solution: commission state services for the blind and Minnesota Deafblind Association collaborate to provide communication, pro-tactile, and self-advocacy training opportunities for deafblind community members. After deafblind consumers have this training, they are better able to collaborate and guide interpreters on what works best for them as deafblind consumers. Expected outcomes: deafblind individuals can choose whether or not to incorporate pro-tactile and or other modes of communication. Deafblind consumers guide interpreters on how best to communicate with them. Interpreters work with deafblind consumers who are better able to articulate their communication needs to interpreters.